Hey guys, welcome to the Kidz Science Corner. Today we are going to be doing another experiment, and this one I'm really excited for. And I got this kit. It's called Sick Bubble Science Blast from my cousin, and today I'm going to be doing it. Let's open it and see what's inside. Ooh, there's bouncing bubble fluid. There are 2 gloves, and there are also 2 pipettes. One's cut and one's not. Just put the cut one there. Okay, let's begin. First, what we have to do is we have to have a little flat bowl like this one. And then we take our bubble fluid and add 1/4 inch of it into our cup. And then we take our little pipette and we take some scissors and then we just cut the bowl part of it. So now we're gonna take our cut end and dip it into the bubble fluid. And then we're gonna blow from the smaller end. And then put our hand like that and see what happens. See how when the bubble landed on my hand, it popped? That's because I either had dirt or oil on my hand. And by the way, do you guys know what a bubble is? Well, I do. A bubble is air trapped inside soap and water. Okay, so let's try it on, but this time let's try it with the gloves. Just put that glove on, and then this glove on. Okay, we take our little cut pipette now, do the same thing, but now we put our left hand out with our glove. You want to blow it really carefully and then put it up like that to let it go. Let me try that again. You don't want to make your bubble too big. You want to keep trying until you actually get it right. There. Now, see how the bubble sticks to the glove like that? That's because the glove is covering all the oil and dirt on my hands. Sometimes you might see some like rainbow lines. I know you might not see it now, but if you go into the light, you might see some rainbow lines and some lines that are in the bubble, that are on top of the bubble. Now we're gonna bounce it. Make sure to be very gentle with it because it's very light. Aha, it's bouncing now. Like I said, you want to be very gentle. Make sure you get one of the Sick Bubble Science Blast kits, and I hope you had so much fun watching this video, and I hope you have so much fun making this video when you get the kit. And please send me pictures and videos when you do it, because I like to see them. Thanks for watching Kidz Science Corner. Have a lovely and safe week. Bye!